shaker. Here we will learn different kinds of pour. First, roll pour. We already learned it on working Flair level 2, so I will not explain it now. So to do this pour, you have to start this way, hold your shaker like this, and your bottle will start from here, and then you will do this move. Your bottle will do this move, and your shaker will do this move. And boom, boom. Then you will stop your objects here and you will pour. And again, start from here and pump, pump. Boom, boom. Then just turn your shaker this way and finish pouring. So to do this pour, you have to hold your bottle on a straight grip, but put your fingers like this here. And you will do this move. And with your shaker, you will do just one flip. Start from straight grip and finish the same way. And then you will do it together. Swing, one flip, and pour. But you have to start and finish your move in the same time. Start, finish. And start, stop. And 1, 2. Do not do this move this way. It doesn't look so good. Try to start and finish this move in the same time. Also, my advice is to learn much more of other different way to pour on amazing YouTube lessons from other bartenders, because the way you can pour ingredients into your cocktail is really important thing in your work.